Folding knives are the need of everyone, and no matter who you are or what you do, you would need them in your daily task. For many years, folding knives have helped us in hunting, box cutting, fishing, usual kitchen chores, and accomplishing countless other tasks. So from the mundane to the life-changing, only use the best folding knife. Moreover, if you are someone who is going on a camping trip, then having a folding knife can be quite beneficial for you. There are many things to consider while deciding to purchase a new folding knife. However, if you're looking for a cheap knife, it does not mean that you won't find a good knife with awesome quality in a cheaper folding knife. You would have to go through several folding knives to choose the best one for yourself. For this purpose, we have compiled a list of the top 5 folding knives under $50, so you can easily choose one for yourself.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so that viewer can make their proper decision.
The Drifter is a high-quality, basic folding pocket knife. The Drifter provides a compact size and a butter-smooth blade deployment. The grip area works with all hand sizes and remains comfortable even during tough cutting. It excels at all of the small elements that make for a successful knife. The most attractive of these is the smoothness of the blade's pivoting action, and it has great fit and finish. The blade is about 3 inches long, and you can open and close it with one hand. The drop point blade of this knife is made of 8CR14 mob steel, that is a high carbon stainless steel that has excellent hardness, wear, abrasion, and corrosion resistance. Moreover, its G10 handle is contoured to fit both big and small hands, and it has a light texturing that improves the grip. It is a nicely sized knife with a close length of 3.66 inches, that means it fits ideally in your hands. Also, its blade thickness is 0.09 inches. And the tip of this knife has a lean point, making it good enough for almost any everyday task. Furthermore, this knife weighs 2.4 ounces, meaning that it is small and allows you to carry it loose in your pocket. Plus, the sturdy and removable clip also contributes to the ease of carrying of the Drifter. However, if you want to really make a statement to discerning users, the Drifter is a top-notch customizable gift or promotional items. The Elementum is one of the community's favorite knives from CIVIVI, and its sleek, minimal design and simple one-handed flipper opening make it an excellent value. So this is a knife that you could and should use on a daily basis. One of the most attractive things about the Elementum is its smooth flipping action. Ball-bearing washers, amazing blade weight, and a substantial flipper tab make deploying this knife incredibly easy. The finish on the blade is nice in either satin, stone-washed, or coated finishes. The 2.96 inches hollow ground drop point blade features D2 tool steel, and there are caged ball bearings in the pivot that makes for a smooth index finger actuated opening with either hand. The overall length of this knife is 6.99 inches and weighs 2.89 ounces. In addition, its G10 handle scale helps keep the knife in your hand during use, and the liner lock prevents the blade from closing up on you when you are trying to get work done. All in all, the knife itself is outstanding, and its design features makes it one of the best easy utility knives on the market. Also, it is cheap, comes in various materials, and does most of the jobs that you ask it to do. The Buck Bantam series is characterized by superb price-quality ratio. The 286 Bantam BHW is greatest knife in the Buck's Bantam series. This knife is made in the United States. It is relatively light and easy to handle due to the durable and lightweight handle. This folder sports a blade made from high-carbon stainless steel and a handle made from GFN, a glass-filled nylon. It also has a one-handed thumb stud opening and a strong lock-back design. The Bantam BHW features a 3 to 5 over 8 inches blade made from 420HC stainless steel that is known for its fantastic corrosion resistance and edge holding properties. The mid-lockback design, jumping at the top and bottom of the handle for better grip, and lanyard hole makes for an all-around great knife for everyday carry, hunting or camping. Additionally, this Bach 286 Bantam BHW has a removable pocket clip for convenient carry and is an amazing choice for users who are looking for a great general-purpose folding knife that is affordable. Overall, the Bach Bantam 286 is a long, thin, and lightweight folding hunting knife. It is also a value folder that won't break the bank. Therefore, this knife is suitable for avid hunters, fishers, hikers, and outdoorsmen of all types. The CRKT Pilar has been one of the most successful collaboration designs released to the EDC community in the past few years. Now in its third iteration, the Pilar 3 features a more slender and organic shape that improves on the already superb ergonomics of the original knife. There is an extended choil for a choke grip, and the G10 handle scales help you hold onto this knife no matter what. This Pilar 3 also features a 2.97 inches blade with a modified spear point shape that excels at both piercing and slicing tasks. And it also has a large eye hole for ambidextrous manual opening, made even more smooth with IKBS ball bearings in the pivot. It has an overall length of around 7.19 inches, with the blade itself standing at around 2.97 inches, which is more than enough for any heavy-duty work. Plus, the highly grippy G10 handle thrives throughout years of use. Moreover, this knife weighs in at a solid 3.6 ounces, and this knife delivers the user a sense of confidence in hand. Finally, this folding pocket knife is handy for a regular person that respects a good knife as well as anyone interested in experiencing nature in a real way. And your purpose is camping, fishing, or hunting, it is important to have this folding knife. For those who can't get enough high-value EDC knives or simply need a tool for everyday use that is both well-made and inexpensive, then the CJRB folding knife will be the best option. This folding knife combines a versatile profile with impressive aesthetics and fantastic ergonomics for a knife you'll want to carry and use. This knife's size and shape allows it to excel at everyday carry-type utility tasks and to protect your life in a pinch should the need arise. Also, this knife equipped a flipper to allow you to open the knife with either hand. Its clever style blade is crafted from durable AR RPM9 steel. The blade material of this knife for men is artisan cutlery patent AR RPM9 powder steel. Its G10 handle provides a nice ergonomic hold under multiple grips. Plus, handle material consists of patterned carbon fiber to improve grip and prevent slipping. Furthermore, combined with its 2.39 inches Warncliffe blade shape and front flipper design with insert liner lock, make this compact knife a wonderful choice for EDC on a budget. Plus, a steel clip is attached to the handle so you can carry this knife conveniently in your pocket. Above all, this knife is excellent for the value of money. So this will be a solid buy for the price.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.